Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can add or change a payment method on your GameStop account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.gamestop.com and hit enter. After the home page of GameStop opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen, you'll see this account option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once you click on the account option, a menu will appear on your screen. Now, on that menu, click on this orders option, which will guide you to another page. Now, in this page on the left hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. On that menu, find this payments option and click on it. Once you click on the payments option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to click on this add a payment method option. Once you click on the add a payment method option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in and tick some credentials. You can either choose if you want to pay by credit or PowerUp Rewards credit card. And then fill in all these credentials, click on this I'm not a robot option and then click on this save option. Once you click on the save option and if you have filled in all those credentials correctly, the new payment method will be added to your GameStop account. I hope this video helped you to add a payment method to your GameStop account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.